Contactless food ordering system. This is the home page of our project. Restaurant person has to register first with details like first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, restaurant name. Restaurant will log in using email, password. Once after the login, the restaurant once will enter into the home page. Restaurant will add dishes and its price and add food info. Dish name, price. Restaurant will add dishes and count of members for table in add tables, members count, tables count. Customer will register with details like first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, login with details, email, password. After login, customer will enter into home page. Customer view all the restaurants by selecting the restaurant. QR code will be displayed. User has to scan the QR code. Here QR code is generated. After that, input field will be displayed. In that, customer has to give members count. Then table will be reserved randomly. After selecting the food, the need to order for the food, restaurant will view the all table orders. Restaurant will view the all table orders. Smart Mess Management System. This is the home page of the project, Smart Mess Management System. This is the admin login page. The admin can log in with using their valid credentials. This serves as the home page for administrators. Users can be added by the administrator through the submission of valid information at this location. Now, the user can log in with using valid credentials. The user can view their profiles and can activate. The user needs to add their face to recognize the student for online mess managing. The user will find the available mess. The user successfully generated bill. If the user wishes to select a pre-existing time, they will encounter the message indicating that the data has already been captured. The user can view the food bill over here. The user will make a payment for the food. The user will make a payment for the food. The user can view the payments. The user can send feedback about food system. The user can view the provided feedbacks. The user can view the status of the payment. Farmers Machinery Rental System. Farmer Machinery Rental System home page. This is admin login page. In this, the admin will log in with email and password. This is a service provider registration page. Here the service provider will register through name, email, password, shop name and address. After registration, the service provider will log in through email and password. Not when the admin log in through email and password. After that, he will enter into this page. Here the service provider will add the machinery. After adding the machinery, the service provider can see the machinery, what all are the machineries he is added. After registration, the request sent to the service provider. If he accept his request, then farmer can log in. But here after login, the farmer will enter in this farmer home page. Here the farmer will see the machinery which are added by service provider and which are machinery he wants. Then he will request through send request button. Online Supermarket Management System. Online Supermarket Management System home page. Admin has to log in by using the credential. After login, the admin can enter into home page. Admin can add regional managers according to the location. After adding he can view all the manager list, and if they want remove the manager, they can delete them. Regional manager has to log into their account by using the credentials. After login, they can enter into home page. Here manager is going to add the employee by entering his details like name, email, password, contact, address, etc. The manager is going to add the categories like name and category with that image of that categories. After adding the categories, he can view, and he want to remove that, he can delete. User has to register with his and her personal details. User login with the help on registered username and password. After login, the user enter into the home page. User views all the products. User can place the order. User is going to add the product feedback. Before place the order, the user can check the order details. Regional manager can view the orders placed by the user. After that, regional manager has the ability to accept or reject the order. The employee has to log into their account by using the credentials. After that, he will enter into home page. Green Basket. It is a home page of Green Basket project. It is a about page which is telling about your website and project. Here customer can register into website by entering their details. Here customer can log in into website by entering their credentials. Here delivery boys log in into website by entering their details. Here farmer can register into website by entering their details. Here admin can log in into website by entering their credentials. The farmer page will open after farmer login. Here farmers add vegetables into website. Here farmer can view and remove vegetables in website. Here farmer can view and remove the registered delivered boys. Here farmer can add the delivery boys. Here farmer can view the orders and their status, and he can also view the feedbacks of a product. Farmer can also view the orders based on date and order status. Here farmer can view the customer chats and he can resolve the issues. This is a customer homepage which is opened after customer login. Here customer can view the products. Customer can view the products which are added into the cart. Here customer can give the payment and shipping details. Customer can view and cancel their orders. Here admin can view and authorize the customers. Admin can view the customer feedbacks. Online Job Mapper. Online Job Mapper home page. Here we can see about the project. Here the employee is going to add the details for the registration. After register, the employee will log in with his credentials. After login, user will enter into home page. The employee is going to job information like role of the job, description, salary, number of years experience, etc. After adding the job information, he can view that details. If any mistake, he can remove those details. Here the employees view their details. The candidates will register with their details. After registration, the user will log in with their details. Candidates will upload their resume here. The candidate can search their details here based on their details. Here the candidates can view all the job details. Here candidates can select the details based on their requirements. Here the employee can view the job descriptions and can download the details, and if okay, he is going to accept, otherwise decline. Here he can check the how much it is matching the resume for that job. This is the result after checking the result. Admin can log in with default credentials. After login, the user entry into home page. The admin can view the job seeker's details here. Here he can view all job information. A cloud secure storage mechanism based on data dispersion and encryption. Cloud secure storage mechanism based on data dispersion and encryption home page. Proxy has to log in with valid credentials into the system. After login, they will enter into the home page. After successful login, proxy is responsible to register sender and receiver information and transfers login details to receiver and sender through mail. Proxy can view the request for files from the receivers and sends the trapdoor which decrypts the encrypted information using mail. Sender will log in with credentials which are sent by the proxy. After login, they will enter into the home page. Only sender upload files. After uploading, he and she performs file encryption, trapdoor on file to secure it. Here the file will be encrypted. Login with the credentials sent by the proxy. After login, they will enter into the home page. View all files which are uploaded by the sender in servers. He requests files which he and she required from the servers. After viewing all files, here it will generate the trapdoor key. After that, he and she can download that file. Login with default values. Cloud service provider have access to view all files from all servers. He attacks files to destroy or theft all data in servers. Academic Conference Management System. This is the project home page. The chairperson should be registered before login. The admin can login using default credentials. The admin can authorize user or deauthorize. The chairperson can create the conferences. The chairperson can view the conferences. The author can add the abstract to the conference. And in background, that domain can predict and represent over here. The author should be share the abstract to the chairperson. The chairperson need to assign the reviewer for that. Blockchain-based Vault for legal records. Admin will login with the default credentials. After login, the will enter into the home page. Here the admin is going to add the document by entering the details. After entering the details, he can view here. User will register using his details. After they will login with their details. User will search a document based on that data will be fetched. User can view the documents which he searched. User can give access to other users by sending file info. Alumni Management System. This is the project home page. This is the user now to perform the operations. This is the user registration. The user should be registered. The user can log in using valid credentials. The user can view the student profile and update it. The user can search the related users. The user can view the events. The user view the job data uploaded by the admin. The user can share their ideas over here. The user can view the ideas. The user can provide the feedback. The admin can log in using valid credentials. The admin can view the home page. The admin can add the users here. The admin can view the added users here. The admin can add the events. The admin can view the events. The admin can post the job. The admin can view the job data here. The admin can view the gallery. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.